Yeah, morning viewers and subscribers. How can you give a man a summons, and when you give the person the summons and them go court, you are go ask who give you the summons? People, I know me can't come to. Watch, me go for an interview other day because the judge didn't tell me when me come back a court, me I come for the restraining order because she don't know about that summons. You understand what I did? So when me go court now, for the restraining order now, when me go court, them say, oh, them lay a charge against me because me cheating. They say, when me cheating are about? You understand what I did? When me cheating are about, you can't tell me when me cheating him say. Me say the same video where she attacks me go on Facebook live and me cheating she. Fear brother, and me call him brother name, comment and I say, wait till he hold me. And one of my Jamaican brethren see the video and I say, Nicholas, this them up, Nicholas, this them up. They don't know themselves. And I no lie, me I tell a big man fan in my district see the video and he go comment when she brother comment and that man comment under the video too. You understand what I did? She I go say no, what you know? What do you know? Them say the insult. I will me call her hold on there. Yeah guys, so what do you know when me get the summons, then say me I call her bang belly goat and it's a chat. You understand what I did? And when she a come a court, she fi bag her face. Which way me tell her so fi true. Oh, a insult can be a chat. And people, me not lie fi tell you. Me tell her that because she a go insult me and I insult my mother. You understand what I did? And me call her and tell her so. You understand what I did? So what you know? Yesterday when me go back a court now, something else add on. Be honest with you know. And he never do pan this as someone so no look. Look pan the summons good people. Me couldn't see someone so no can read this so don't watch nothing. Yesterday when me go to court now, hear what them a say oh, me tell her say she suck out till little money out of me and now she want suck out till little blood if she a vampire. People, as days of God, me tell her so. You understand what I did? And that's what she do. Me meet her at Trinidad. Upon the street, if you say you're there. You understand? Because you don't live nowhere. And I me find somewhere and put you, me get deport go to Jamaica. Buy a ticket. Find everything at Jamaica for you come married and you come married and I come up here and look. And you go tell people about, yo, let me tell you this. For me know you never do nothing for me. I mean in that look for you do nothing for me, a man. Me always stand up at my own. Me as a youth, me love go out there for my own. You understand what I did? So them a little thing when me soon I go on with a stupidness. Me I tell you that. Look how much money me spend on you. And I go tell them about me tell you say, she suck a little money out of me. And now you want to suck a little blood. I choke me attack. Of course I choke me attack. Right now, me in Grenada and if me got the bank, I can draw a $50. And when me there Jamaica, me can go bank and draw 2,000 US, or 150 US, 1,000 US, 500 US. Me can buy a ticket for go Trinidad, me can buy a ticket for go Antigua, but me there so me can't do nothing. So now go tell me, me no fit talk for my rights, so a fool on I deal with. I don't take Jamaican people for fool. Yo, let me tell you this man, me know you no like Jamaican people. You understand what I did? How comes you give me a summons, and when you give me a summons, and me I read out the summons, and you tell me show the police, and me show the police, you say you don't know what who give me. And the same police will take his summons and read it. He's the one give me the summons. And you tell me stupidness. Some take people for fool, and now me go back a court now, you tell me if you come back a court to restraining order. You know, put me all on interview. When me go do the interview, they might tell me say when me go court, me go collect restraining order. Where restraining order there? Oh, you can't issue no restraining order. Yo, me know you against we. You against foreigner. You understand me how it so this? We don't care what you want to do. You understand me how it? When me come back a court, you charge me for insult. And when me come back, I bet say I want different thing again. So, I want to hear it checked when me check she. You can come up with that now. So you don't want to try lay a charge against me now because me insult her. Eh? And who she be? Yo, let me tell you this man, she no better than me. And none of you are no better than me. True me, I can't no shit so shit. Eh? Me never change. Me a born Jamaican. Never change. You see, if me go to Jamaica today and I go there tomorrow, that can no problem to uno. You understand me? Because me know right now, me no want it. So what you not have against me? Boss, me I live better than uno. And that a way it be. Me YouTube video I kill uno. You understand me? I did Guys, these are the summons. Want to no look on the good and read it. You understand me? I did. People may just want to no read this and see what I go on. You see when you hear me attack and I know joke thing. You understand me? I did.